Now, once your presentation is done, you are ready to record videos. To record videos, I would suggest this free app called Loom. So what Loom does is, it will allow you to record your screen along with your face. So right now for this course, I am using the Loom app. The best part is the Loom app is free. It has some limitations like up to 1 GB of data, 1 GB of videos you can upload at a time, and each duration will be around 5 minutes. But this is really great if you are just starting out and you want to try out videos, then Loom is a very good option that you can do. Otherwise, if you have a Zoom option, if you have Zoom app and you have a paid subscription in Zoom, you can use Zoom to record videos as well. Okay, so the best part is with Loom, you can get the plugin of Loom from Google Chrome as well. You can go to loom.com and you can download their desktop app, or you can also install the plugin on your Chrome browser, and just like that you can hit the record button to start recording the videos. And your videos, you can say whatever you want to say in the video, and once you're done you can simply click on stop, and this will take you to the Loom's dashboard. And here, let's say you made some mistake like the oohs and ahs or any such mistakes that you have made, you can easily edit and trim those portions using the Loom editor as well. And finally, you can download the video. So this is a very easy and free way to create videos. All you need is a webcam on your laptop. If you have a laptop, well and good, you can use Loom to record videos very easily. So right now for this section, here are the resources. First is you will get a PPT creation guideline. So in that guideline, you will get to know what are the prerequisites of a very good presentation, what all you can add in the presentation to make it very interactive. And second is the video recording guidelines. So one of the guidelines that I can suggest is that you make the videos very short. So generally students prefer the lessons in a very short manner, so not more than 10 minutes. Ideally it should be between 4 to 5 minutes range, and so those guidelines you can check out from the resource section. And third, the hardware and software guidelines that you need. So for example, if you are let's say using Loom, then I would suggest that you so maybe everyone will have this headset. So if you don't have any budget, you can use that headset. It has a mic. But for better quality, if you want to record a proper course, so you get microphones in the internet. So you can go to Amazon and buy say Boya microphone, which is quite popular. You can check out the other microphones in the niche and buy a microphone. It will be costing you around 800 to 1000 rupees. And if you can afford a little more, you can go for something like a Blue Yeti, which is the one which I am using right now. But it's a little expensive. It comes around 8,000 rupees. But in general, depending on your budget, I have listed down all the hardwares and softwares. You can check that out from the resource section. So now that you have recorded your course contents, let's go ahead and launch your online course.